Hi, I'm Haddock and I'm here at the Innovation Trail at the Executive Hire Show with the Elite Ballast Block. Latest innovation, folks. I love this. This is based on simple ideas, isn't it? Kris is the MD of Elite. Kris, simple ideas, really effective, solving problems. We have a block here. It looks a little bit like a Lego block, but in different sort of shapes and sizes with grooves on it and everything.
It's a bit bigger, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about the moment where you said, this is something we can do. We can change the industry with this and have that innovation moment.
Well, we've seen for a long time, ballast blocks being used in the temporary fencing sector.
Yeah.
They've been around for a long time, but they're very, very heavy. They're normally made from recycled PVC or concrete, which in itself creates a number of issues. So for us, we looked at the temporary fencing market and thought, look, water is readily available.
Yep.
It's on most sites. It's easy to use. Can we create something which is a little bit more sustainable, something which reduces manual handling issues and also reduces the cost for transport up and down the country?
Yep.
Hence the reason we looked at the Elite Ballast Block. It was a simple idea, a bright, high visibility yellow block that would sit over a standard fence foot, so it can be used on any system in the market. You can put blocks on top of each other, simply fill them with water, and each block then, once they're filled, has about 45 kilos worth of weight.
And what's really interesting about this, folks, is we're not looking at something where you might, drop this down and it's still rugged, So if I'm dropping on the floor, folks, you can tell it's solid plastic, but really, really lightweight for me to do. But equally, when you're looking at the equivalent, which is concrete, which can get damaged, or quite easily concrete or anything like that can be damaged, or you've got a scenario where you've not got enough weight to hold up a long fence and to keep something secure or safe. Great thing about this, Kris is going to give me a hand here, Kris. Easy to install as well, folks. Watch this as I go and install the Elite Ballast Block. So complicated. Here we are, Kris. Give us a hand here.
There you go.
So,
lift the stabiliser.
Lift the stabiliser.
Away you go.
And we're off. Now the biggest other thing, come here folks, come closer for me. The biggest thing here, right in close, is the one thing I've got to manually handle is taking the cap off and filling it up. And of course that is also used to actually drain it as well. So, Kris, a big innovation this, and it's really taking off, isn't it? The orders are coming through at the Executive Hire Show, on the Innovation Trail. What's been the take-up so far when people have discovered how simple this is?
It's been a really exciting product to be involved with. We've had a lot of people that are purchasing the product because they've got long-term projects where, obviously purchasing is more cost-effective. Yep. But it's a great hire product.
Of course.
For a hire company, obviously transporting goods to site and from site, and what they can get on their lorries or their trucks or in their vans, they need to maximise that. Yep. And to give you an idea, if you took a standard Arctic with a concrete ballast block, you might get about 480 units because of the weight. Yep. With this, you're over 1,000. So more than double the amount of units in the same type of transport vehicle. So you're reducing transport costs. Construction companies are really looking to use this on sort of national house building sites.
Yep.
Tier 1 contractors, but as I say, hire companies have been contacting us left, right and centre to get more details.
And one of those things about this innovation for me is it's a huge carbon saver, because we are not transporting heavy things. We're not burning carbon to take less to site. We're actually able to store these things super and safely, but equally we're not burning all that carbon up. It's more sustainable. We are delivering something on site which is better and designed for the application. But Kris, the good thing about it, folks, is it's really, really bright. So you can see it when you're on site. You're not going to miss that. You're not going to run into that. And it really is a great little innovation. Super simple ideas are the ones I love the best. Thanks very much for spending time with me today, Kris.
More than welcome. More than welcome. Thanks very much.
Cheers.